For this video, this is more of a instructional how-to video. The purpose of this one is to kind of talk to you and explain how you are going to do your your Unit 7, we're calling it 7.7 formative assessment. So you're going to see on Schoology today for math, you're going to have a couple tasks. You're going to have your normal workbook pages, but you also will have this formative assessment that you're going to have to do for this lesson. And I thought, just because this formative assessment's a little tricky, I wanted to make this video just to help. So I'm going to show you kind of just how these are going to work. Now, when I say formative assessment, you're going to see, now yours is going to look just a little bit different, but you can see it says right in the middle there, 7.7 math formative assessment. You're going to open it up, and you're going to see right away when you open it up, it looks very, very similar to our 3-point questions that we've been doing in class all year. But instead of setting this to Notability, you are going to be doing it right here on Schoology, kind of like we've done with some of our reading practice stuff. So I'm going to go to the preview mode. When you open it up, 7.7 math formative assessment, this is all you're going to see, and you're just going to hit the red button, Start New Attempt. For the first question, it says all squares are rectangles. So I have to think, oh boy, are all squares rectangles? I have to think, okay, well, I know a square has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. And rectangles, they have 4 sides and 4 right angles. Oh, okay. Well, I think I know. So what you have to answer in, is this statement true or false? How do you know? Use this sentence starter to explain your thinking. Well, it's true because, or it's false because. So if you think the answer is false, you'll write false because they are triangles. Now, that answer doesn't really make any sense for this, but I'm just giving you an example. You are going to use one of those sentence starters there to write your answer. So, are all squares rectangles? And how do you know? Okay. Number 2. I can even give like another example. False, because they have 3 sides. Not true, but that's just another way you could do that answer. Another way to like kind of to explain just another example of how you could explain your thinking. Question number 2. Choose every name that describes this figure. So you got to think, okay, what's that figure? If you think it's a pentagon, I'm going to look down here at my choices. Quadrilateral, parallelogram, rectangle, square. Well, I don't think it's a pentagon. Pentagons have 5 sides. But I do have to think about what these vocabulary words mean. Okay, quadrilateral. Quad, that means 4. Oh, okay, so I think that helps. Parallelogram. That has that word parallel in it. Okay, rectangle. Rectangles have 4 sides and 4 right angles. Okay, and square. So if you think it's just quadrilateral, you'll just check quadrilateral. If you think it's quadrilateral and parallelogram, you'll do both. If you think it's parallelogram and rectangle, you'll do those. If you think it's all of them, you do all of them. Or you can just do 3 of them, whatever you think for this one. Then for question number 3. A photograph measures 8 inches on one side and 10 inches on one side. Explain what you know of, and I know the word know is misspelled. Good catch for all those that saw that. Explain what you know about the other 2 sides. Use the rectangle below to help. Well, interesting. I know. So if one of the sides is 8, probably the shorter side, and if one of the sides is 10, what do I know about the other 2 sides? So I could say that top side is 10, and maybe this left side, like right there, is 8. So the top is 10, that side is 8. Well, if the top is 10, what do I know about the bottom? And if that side is 8, what do I know about that side? So down below, you are going to just explain in your best words possible what you would know about those other two sides. When you're done, hit submit at the bottom, and that'll be it for this. If you have any questions on this, please let me know. Otherwise, I know you will all do fantastic. Have fun. Bye.